Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore the exciting world of monetizing a niche using affiliate marketing, memberships, and digital products. If you've ever wondered how to turn your passion into a profitable online business, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Step 1. Identify your niche. The first step is to choose a niche you're passionate about. This could be anything from fitness, cooking, or even antique book collecting. Make sure it's something you love and can talk about for hours. Step 2. Start with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote products or services related to your niche and earn a commission for every sale. Sign up for affiliate programs, find products that resonate with your audience, and create compelling content that includes your affiliate links. Over time, as your audience grows, so does your income. Remember, authenticity and trust are key in affiliate marketing. Step 3. Create a membership model. Once you've built a loyal following, consider offering a membership program. This can provide exclusive content, access to a community, or personalized coaching, depending on your niche. Your members pay a recurring fee, providing you with a steady income stream. It's a win-win. They get value, and you get paid. Step 4. Develop digital products. Next, consider creating digital products like ebooks, online courses, or printable resources. These can be tailored to your niche and offer in-depth knowledge and solutions to your audience's problems. Digital products can be sold on your website or through platforms like Etsy or Gumroad, providing another revenue stream that works even when you're not actively working. Step 5. Diversify and scale. As your online business grows, consider diversifying your income sources even further. Explore sponsored content, partnerships, or even physical products if it aligns with your niche. Conclusion. In conclusion, monetizing a niche through affiliate marketing, memberships, and digital products is not just possible, it's an exciting opportunity to turn your passion into a profitable venture. Remember, success takes time, effort, and dedication, so stay consistent and keep delivering value to your audience. So, go ahead, get started, and make your niche work for you. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your monetization journey. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful content. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.